Welcome to Die.3D YouTube channel. I got a new 3D filaments from All 3D World of Lilliput. So this is where I used to buy my 3D printer filaments. So let's open this box and see what we got today. So these are all 3D filaments. You can see name on it, and this is the gray color PLA. So let me bring it to focus so you can see clearly here. So yeah, little more focus. You can see here. This is gray color PLA. It is 1.75 mm. So this PLA I will be using it for printing faces and 3D characters, so I can see the details properly. So that's the reason I ordered this gray color one, mainly for printing 3D faces and 3D characters. The next one, you can see here, it is transparent one. I want to do some experiments with the transparent PLA. That's the reason I ordered this. You can see here, this is already PLA transparent, 1.75 mm 1 kg spool. So yeah, I need to try this filament. I never tried before, so anyhow I'll show you in later videos what I did with this 3D filament. And the next one is red PLA. This is one of my favorite PLA from Old 3D. I have printed many models with this red PLA. So you can see here, like, this is PLA 1.75 1 kg spool. So I printed these models using same red PLA. You can see here, this is pretty good to see, so that's the reason I ordered 2 spools red color. This is another red PLA. So you can see here, this is a red PLA, it's another spool. So this is orange color PLA. This is my second favorite color for 3D printing. So you can see here it's orange color 3D filament. So you can see here it's orange color one. So this is also a very good filament. So I'm printing many models with the same PLA. Okay, this is the last filament. You can see this is a white color one, so there is no label on it to show you. So you can see here it's a white color one. So this is the last one. Totally I got 6 filaments for my next projects. Thank you guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like this video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.